to my channel. I'm Morgan Monet. First things first, Merry Christmas to you and your family. You guys, this is my favorite, oh my goodness, my most favorite time of the year. I love Christmas. Not only do I thoroughly enjoy gift giving, but I also like receiving a well thought out gift myself. I really do hope and pray that you're enjoying this time with your family and your loved ones, and that Santa left you all of your favorite gifts underneath the Christmas tree. All right, so based off of the title, you already know I am unboxing what I got for Christmas this year. So grab a cup of coffee, or maybe some cocoa, or maybe some wine, maybe a mimosa, and let's get started. Hold up, you guys, one quick thing. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you definitely need to hit the red button below and subscribe to my channel. I create content around luxury accessories, such as handbags and small leather goods, or SLGs as I like to call them. And if you also believe that it's important that we normalize luxury, especially in the Black community, then this is the channel for you. So go on ahead and hit that red button below and join my Lux family. All right, now we're really about to get started. First up on the list, you guys, we have old, true, reliable, and faithful Bath and Body Works. You guys, I think that Bath and Body Works lotion and fine fragrance mist make the best type of stocking stuffers. They are just so amazing, and the collection that I got this year really does call out or give me the Christmas spirit. I got the You're the One fine fragrance mist and the Shea Butter body lotion. Oh, and this packaging to me, you guys, is just gorgeous. What I also love is like the scent details. They consider the fragrance notes white birch, velvety rose, and a drop of strawberry nectar. Like, does that not give you just all of the holiday vibes? I know it does for me. So this was the first gift in my stockings this year. Continuing on this whole fragrance kick, you guys, we have Forever Mood Scents of the Season. I love Jackie Aina's fragrance or candle collection. They smell so good, you guys, and the fact that they're a single wick and they can light up an entire room is a major win in my book. Get into these first two candles. They are Naughty Nice and Fine Pine, and when I tell you that they not only smell good, but they also have a little sensual kick to them, being able to put them in the bedroom, if you know what I mean, I really love that. I also was able to get the Sleigh Season set. And you guys, also, these scents I feel like would be perfect for your kitchen or in your office. The two are Gingerbread Trap House and You Up. The camera is not doing this collection justice, but I can't say enough about how amazing these candles are and just how fragranced they are, especially to be a one wick candle. Also really excited to call out that I was able to secure the minis, and I am gifting these guys as little stocking stuffers to my family members because they're just so cute, and they actually have all of the names on the front of the candles. So again, Fine Pine, Naughty Nice, Gingerbread Trap House, and You Up. So cute. Jackie Aina, once again, you put your foot in these candles. Now, if you guys know me and have been watching a few of my videos, you know that I love a fine perfume. And no Christmas is ever complete without a little Jo Malone, if you know what I mean. So we're going to unbox this goodie together. I love the way the Jo Malone associates wrap their gifts. It's top notch. It's A1. So opening up this guy. Look at this. Even this packaging has like a beautiful ribbon. I just love it. It is the beautiful Mimosa and Cardamom 3.4 fluid ounce cologne. Oh, you guys, when I smelled this in the department store, it set my nose on, I don't even want to say fire because that has like a negative connotation, but it just made me feel happy and light. And the SA also gave me a few other little goodies in here. So we have the Peony Blush and Sage, which actually smells beautiful with the Mimosa and Cardamom fragrance. And then also the English Pear and Freesia little mini, just so that I could like mix and match or kind of customize my own scent by mixing this with the Mimosa and Cardamom. And then also got a few hand cream packets. Now, I personally have never tried Jo Malone's hand cream, but if you have, please comment below and tell me, like, do you like it? Is it worth it? Like, do you put it on and then later on your hands get ashy? I would really love to know because I don't know, I'm a little antsy, but I will definitely try out these packets and I'll give you guys my full review later on. Do y'all know what else is never a bad gift idea on Christmas? Shoes! And this year I was able to purchase some special goodies from Nordstrom this year, but actually y'all check out their like holiday bag this year. I actually really do love that. But this year I got a new pair of Uggs, you guys. My brown ones, they looking a little dusty. So this year I got the classic mini 2 black Uggs. Simple yet chic enough to where I wouldn't have to like, basically I just didn't want to have to dress up all of the time. And even if I had on like this scarf and this sweater, I could still wear these Uggs and look presentable and put together. So I love these guys. This next gift, you guys, is near and dear to my heart because it's from my boyfriend and I have not seen what this is. I don't know what it is. So we are truly unboxing this together. But let's get into this package detailing. Like, look at this beautiful ornament on the front of the gift. This just allows us to be able to put this on our tree next year. The camera is doing this ornament no justice. And there's also even a little jewel dangle right there in the bottom of the angel. I cannot wait to put this on our tree next year. And then also this like ribbon having cardinals on it. It is so adorable. So, okay, let's do this together. Okay, you guys, so I had to take that unboxing off camera because it was just a little bit more intricate than what I was prepared for. But it looks like he got me some goodies from Julie Voss, and I love that jewelry brand. So opening up this first one, let's see. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's this beautiful bangle. Oh, you guys. It's so pretty, and it has small pearl detailing. Is the camera picking this up? Make sure. You guys, look at this bracelet. It is gorgeous and will stack lovely with all of my other ones. And then he also got me another little goodie, which, if I open this up, is, oh my goodness, it's like a pearl necklace. This is so beautiful. You guys, look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, this is lovely. Thanks, babe. I love it. You guys let me know your thoughts down below, but I think that this long dangle necklace and this bangle are beautiful. Now, you guys, these next set of gifts all go together. They coordinate. And at some point, I'm going to give you guys an option to pause the video and actually guess down below on what you think the gift is. But first things first, we have a mailed gift from my mother. And opening it on camera, tearing the paper. We have the Lexington USB to USB-A card reader adapter in the beautiful rose gold color. Also, we have opening paper. Why would I take this? Why would I take this? We have the Magic Mouse from Apple. So go on ahead and pause this video and guess what I got myself for Christmas. Here it is, you guys. I'm so excited. I got the new 13-inch MacBook Air M1. I think that's the whole technical name of it. And I couldn't be more excited to use this guy. The camera is not doing it justice, but I definitely, you guys, needed a new MacBook. Like, the one that I had was from college and I got it in 2012. So I'm just super, super thankful to have gotten the new MacBook Air. Although we've come to the end of the road. All right, you guys, this is the last gift of Christmas. And this guy also comes from my boyfriend. He really spoiled me this year. So taking out this tissue paper, loving the packaging. We have some gifts from Louis. So obviously the receipt, we're not new to this, we're true to this. And then go undoing the ribbon, sliding open the box. He got me the beautiful Louis scarf, you guys. And this is in, what's the exact color? It's like a specific color. It's like a lovely nude, but there's like a specific color. I love it. And being able to show you guys, you see it? It's like a difference. So in some instances, it looks like silver on gold or cream on brown, but I really love this scarf. And it feels so good. I will for sure leave the exact color down below in the description box. Isn't she beautiful? Love it so, so much. All right, you guys, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also comment down below and tell me what your favorite gift was. As always, I'm biased and I truly loved everything that I received, and I'm just so, so grateful and so thankful. I really do hope that you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, but I hope to be seeing you guys before the new year. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get the notifications when I upload a new video. All right, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. Merry Christmas. Bye.